knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, build your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Byatt, and in my videos, what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you'll like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Byatt. In this video, I'm going to be discussing the Male Support Day portion of my book, Molding a Man. The purpose of the Male Support Day is to develop the young man's confidence. Planning out the discussion period is important so that the information that the young man is supposed to think about gets covered. Once the discussion period is over, the activity portion of the day can begin. The activity portion can be going to a ball game, setting up ball games at the basketball court, going to the movie or museum that has some significance for that day. The Male Support Day is planned right. It should leave a lasting impression on the young man. All the family males must be involved to leave no doubt about their importance in the family, reinforcing the support they have in the family. I'm interrupting this video to bring you some updated information. I'm proud of the book and what it has to say, so I'm going to be talking to some incredible people. They're educators, professionals, and parents who will bring a unique perspective on each topic within the book, so you won't want to miss these upcoming videos. But in order to bring you that content, so tell a friend who's a parent that'll benefit from this invaluable information. Hello again, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one.
They bout to hear, more than a man, it's nothing to play with. More than a man, takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, build your integrity. More than a